guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a speed cleaning video. Basically what I want to do is clean up my house. My house is torn up right now. My son is gonna be going to take a nap very soon. So my goal is to get everything on my list done, or as much as possible, in that about 45-minute-hour time frame that I have while he naps. The top things that I want to just get done is just kind of tidy up the house, and if I get more time, fold the laundry and also clean underneath the sink in my bathroom and clean his little chair that we have in the living room. So stick around if you like any type of cleaning videos. I'm gonna do mine today. Let's get to it. Okay, so let me show you guys what the kitchen is currently looking like, as well as the living room and the room. The one thing that I forgot to show you guys is the bathrooms before. Now, I normally make my bed first thing in the morning, as well as unloading the dishwasher, but hey, there's some days that I just don't do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the kitchen and then move on to laundry and the first bathroom, which is our guest bathroom. I've mentioned this cleaner before in my previous videos. This is a new brand from Target. It's called Everspring. It smells really good and it's super affordable. So as you can tell, you're not going to see me cleaning any tubs or toilets and stuff like that, just because I don't normally do that. We hired a housekeeper that comes every other week. Don't judge me. You know, you spend your money how you want it. This is the best investment we do, is investing in things that make our life a little bit easier. We are currently redoing our room and redecorating it, so I will show you guys a really quick room tour once it's all done. If you haven't noticed yet, I use microfiber cloths that I got from Target for super cheap to clean my house. I use one for the bathroom, one for the counters, one for the kitchen, and one for the closet doors because they're made out of glass. And this makes my house really clean. All you need is water, but of course for the counters and the bathrooms, I do use a little bit of all-purpose cleaner. So we have a dog, and we normally take him out once a day to go for a walk and to go potty outside. But the other 2 or 3 times a day, we let him out on the balcony on a pee pad. But I like to clean the balcony at least once a week because I don't like it to be smelly and to have any little stains or any little drips of pee. What I'm doing here is spraying the floor with disinfectant spray and then adding some hot water so it really cleans. Okay guys, so I was pretty much able to do everything that I wanted to do. There's 2 things that I wanted to do if I had time, depending on what time he woke up. Right now it's about 1:09, so that means he's been sleeping about 55 minutes. So he's gonna be waking up any minute now. So since I have a few extra minutes, I'm gonna clean his little couch and maybe clean under the sink in my bathroom. So if you can tell, this is his little chair, and it's like full of stains of just like things that when he's eating, he'll stain it. So I'm gonna clean it right now. All I use to clean his recliner chair is a little bit of warm soapy water with some dish soap, and use a sponge to scrub any little stains, as well as my nails that were really good at scratching any little pieces of food that were left. Okay guys, so I have a few minutes. He's still sleeping. I'm guessing I have a few more minutes, so I'm gonna try to tackle the drawers underneath my my master bathroom sinks. They're full of just shit that I just need to get rid of, so I need to declutter it, get rid of it, and we'll see how much time I get. Oh my god, I got rid of so much makeup that I always keep just because I think about, well, what if I have a special occasion to wear it to? And guys, I've had it for years and I don't use any of it. So literally all I kept were like 2 or 3 lipsticks that I do use, and I totally forgot I still had. So as you can tell, now all I have underneath the sink are lotions and hair products that I use, as well as extras like toothbrushes and toothpaste. On the other side of the sink, we have just pads, feminine products, and clippers for my fiance. This bag is filled with trash. So I don't use air or fabric refreshener every single day, but sometimes I do. And the one that I like to use is a Miss Myers spray. This one smells like a lemon honey kind of. Okay guys, it's 1:38. So my son went to sleep at 12:45. It's 1:38 and he's just waking up. So I was basically able to get everything that I wanted to get done in less than an hour. I was even able to clean underneath my master bathroom sink and organize those drawers, as well as clean my son's little chair that we keep in the living room. So I'm so happy. So the one thing I wasn't able to get done is fold the laundry. So it's right there, and it's okay, I'll just do it after he goes down. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, or if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and click on the little bell so you get notified when I post videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.